harsh tyres. I've got a Ford Fiesta here on a 2011 plate. It's a 61 plate. We're just doing a number plate light bulb. I'll show you how it's done. It's quite a simple procedure on this particular model. But this is the car we're looking at. And the interior right there. So if you've got the same car and you're having trouble replacing the rear number plate light bulbs, I will show you how it's done. Now that I've got the side lights on, as you can see on the rear, both of the rears are working, but the number plate, they're not. Now all you need for that is a really skinny flat screwdriver, or anything that's really skinny. Slot it through this hole here. Once you slot it through, push it towards you, and that's it. And all you then do is make sure you get the right side out first, and then the whole thing comes out. Right, I'm going to need another pair of hands. Just going to get help from my brother. Right, now that I've got a second pair of hands, all I do is get the bulb. It is a 501 bulb, which is a capless bulb right here. It's a capless bulb. And on the back here, you've got a plug socket. You twist that to your left. You pull the socket out. Once you pull the socket out, take the bulb out. Now I know the lights are on, so the moment I put the bulb in, the lights would come on straight away, but you don't try it, please. That's it. Slot it back in, twist it to your right, into the gap. There's a notch right here, which goes in first. Once you put it in, you push it in, that's it. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Again, get a screwdriver, slot a screwdriver through, and then pull it out. That's the spring you're pushing in, just right there. Okay, that's all you need to do. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know, and do check out the playlist for Ford. We have got a playlist. We've done like service resets and tire pressure reset, and we've got a bulb playlist as well. So if you've got friends that have got cars that need help with bulbs, we've got a playlist for that as well. Anything else you need to know, do let us know. We'll help you out. Thank you. Goodbye.